We're having fun here at the local pond near the Rio Grande, and today is August the 2nd, and it's around 7:30 p.m. and we're having fun making a video of the surroundings around this pond. We've heard some really big bullfrogs croak, and also some little toads. I guess they'd be spadefoot toads since we let one loose here. And we're having a really good time watching this thunderstorms move in. And I have my action camera in the water right now, and we're trying to capture some videos of little fish. Now, we don't know what kind of fish they are, but the last I saw of these fish, they were little white fish. So I'll let you be the guest. And I just watched a little lizard run by. That was kind of cute. So there's lots of wildlife here. Swifts and ducks. We've seen ducks go by. And I hope you enjoy the video. Well, the pond's still here. Yeah, there's another way down over there. Here comes motorcycle dude. You know what? Yeah. This is the way down. I'm going to go down this way. Yep. Got a little rock wall here we got to climb over. Made it.
What is that? Oh, look. There's
little floating algae things.
Yeah. What do you call that? It's not floating algae. Some kind of
Looks like little beans floating in it.
Yeah, it's floating plants.
Floating what?
It's some kind of a plant.
Oh. I wouldn't go down there. It's pretty steep.
Yeah, it is. I'm going to see if my camera can do a close-up.
It might.
I can't remember the name of that. Look, the dragonfly. Let me see if I can get that one.
Yeah, he's just hovering there for you.
This camera is slow.
Yeah.
It was hovering, but that's okay.
These are neat little seed pods. They look like caterpillars.
I don't know what to call that.
I don't know, you'll have to look it up.
Kind of water plant. You can go. There's
There's
frogs.
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 There's frogs.
That's what that was.
There's frogs down here. That might be the one you let loose. Huh. These are reeds, I think.
What?
They've gotten big. 8, 10, maybe 12 feet tall.
You mean the reeds?
Yeah.
Cattails?
Cattails, yeah, cattails.
These are cattails. Let's go to the pond area. Look at the fish.
Okay. No one's been here since it's rained. Because I don't see any footprints. This is actually where I let the frog loose. Right down here.
See the action shot. Can get closer to them.
But the cattails grew in. I see things moving underwater. Might be little fish. Might be frogs too. Look at them go. I bet they're tadpoles, huh?
Frogs.
Are they frogs?
Mm-hmm. That's someone.
Look over there. Jumped in. Make a squeaky sound and jump in.
Frogs in here. Let's go over there.
You ever touched one of those cattails? Are they fuzzy and furry like they look?
Yeah, the fuzzy. Let's go over here, Chip. Let's go to the place of it.
No, it doesn't. You think it does. The only way to get to that place is to go around the pond on the other side.
Oh.
That one goes way, way, way down that way. And then it'll come around eventually. But it's a very long walk.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, because I've already tried.
I got an idea. Is this
Yeah.
okay with you?
Sure.
You want to see if there's fish here? Frogs here?
Yeah, I can do that. But I have to dismount it from this stabilizer. So, if you did want to take a walk around the other side, I think we should do it now.
Okay, let's do it now. Let's do it now.
Okay.
Not accessible to this end.
It's a long walk. A long walk.
Okay.
And I got no guarantees because I haven't done it.
Okay, let's go this way then.
I haven't made the long journey, but I know it's a long walk. Kind of neat walking underneath this willow tree.
I'll let you reach for it.
Yeah, it was a little difficult to open.
Yeah.
Observation shed here. That's what it is. So you can get in here, I guess a blind, observation blind, so you can view the animals, the birds, the wildlife. Stay on the trail, it says. Okay. It's a big frog, man. I knew there was a big frog in here. Probably about the size of a cat. They're big. Yeah.
See if you can, get the
Okay.
thing there and see if you can just...
Did you hear that frog scream? Are the gnats getting after your face?
I got my glasses on. I'm good.
Yeah, but do they hover around? They do me.
Oh yeah.
Those Rio Grande gnats. Well, I'm going to take my camera off this gimbal and I'm going to put it on a selfie stick with a waterproof housing for the action cam, and I'm going to see if I can find me any fish, see if there's any fish over here. Well, I talked to Rosalind, and it looks to me like she wants to take the long way back. We haven't been this way before. So this should be kind of interesting. Yeah, I'm just going to step around it. It's too dangerous. But we're both wearing long pants today, so that's a good thing. We haven't been down this way. Over there's a bat house. Cars passing by on the road along the Rio Grande. Looks like this pond extends quite a ways out. Anyhow, we're going to find out where it ends, because I think that's the only way this path, if we're going to get back to where we need to be, we're going to have to get over this thing right here. We're going to have to find a way over. Might be hard.
What's wrong?
Not a thing.
Nothing's wrong?
Not a thing.
Oh, look at these, the flowers are seeding.
Tiny little bitty things, huh?
They're seeding. Look at the flowers, you see that?
Yep. Yes, it is. And it's pretty little red flowers. Huh? Yeah, it just keeps going. Sticker bush. We can take the high road. You want to come back and take the high road? I think that's the good way to do it. Yeah. Don't need any pain.
They like little needles.
I think that's the high road right there.
Yeah.
I'd take this road if I was you. A little hard to get up, but worth it.
Yeah, this is a high road. So. Road, you see?
That's another path.
It's over there where the bat house is.
Yeah.
And then it goes over here. Right. That one there is like needles.
I just saw some lightning over there.
Oh. Look at these high leaves.
Yeah. Goes over here, huh?
Yeah. Look at all these bat houses.
Yeah.
Can you scan them?
Yeah, I can see them. Lots of bad houses out there. Sure is. You want to continue down the trail, or you want to head back?
No, we're going to go down the trail. We're just going to go around.
Okay.
bigger rocks.
No, that's the trail back where we came from. That's not the... You wanted to just head back now?
Yeah.
Okay, I think...
You know, it's getting dark.
I think it's going to rain.
What if it's going to rain?
Yeah.
Not a good idea. Might get caught.
It's been a pleasant visit, though. I've enjoyed myself.
Look, there's another backhouse there.
If we're lucky, we got some fish in our video.
There's also water there.
Yeah.
There's
Well,
the
that's
canal.
the way we came.
It's the canal.
We came down that path over there, see, that goes along.
Oh.
We were over there.
Planting some cactus there.
Yeah, that's right. There aren't much cactus around here, is there? But that's one of them. Yeah, that's a cactus. Prickly pear cactus, right?
They have a house that
Oh yeah, someone's building a new house. Yeah, right over in the distance. That's a pretty picture of the pond there. Isn't that pretty?
Sure is.
Yeah. The water's not muddy like the Rio Grande. It's pretty clear, actually.
No. Yep. I think this one's spread with the Rio Grande.
Now I got a hunch you're right.
This is, even though it's clear, the silts are spread.
I like my little outing ventures with you, Lynn.
Oh, it's hot?
Yeah.
That's gonna fall, isn't it?
Yeah, I kind of hope this COVID vaccine comes around because I like walking around with you.
Oh, good.
You're good company.
Thank you, Chef.
And you're fun.
When this is over, you know, we're going to explore the ghost towns. I might like to explore this.
Yes, I would. I sure would. Oh, what's the name of that? Something Valley. Hidden Valley or?
Lake Valley.
Lake Valley, yeah.
Lake Valley. Okay, look. Did you get those flowers? Those are pretty.
Oh, yeah. These are pretty.
Indian blanket. Oh. Indian blanket.
Yeah, Indian blanket.
Yeah.
Indian blanket flowers.
It's wild.
Yeah, they're pretty. They're pretty. Maybe they'll propagate.
You want to take one shot of that time there? Or no?
Oh,
We got next
I think we got it.
Okay. You want to get that?
Sure. You want to hold it for me?
Sure will.
Quail.
Quail.
Yeah, look at them go. A whole bunch of them. I can't get those though, unfortunately. But they're right over there. They are skittish. Yeah, they're in that tree over there.
Maybe they're in the other side.
Yeah. It's a good place. A lot of tumbleweeds piled up over there. Look at all these tumbleweeds. Wow. Is that a nighthawk? Nightingale?
Looks like it might something.
Nightingale.
I think they got some coil here for you.
Hey, that's great.
Hey, you got cooler?
Yeah.
They like your outing today?
Oh, yeah.
Get away? Just for,
Sure do.
just for a few minutes?
I sure did. I sure do.
An hour or so? Get out of the house?
Yeah, fresh air feels good, doesn't it?
Before they came in?
Yep.
Oh, look, daisies. See this?
What's that?
Down up over to this.
You say they're daisies?
Yeah, they're little tiny daisies.
I'll say so.
What do they do?
Yeah, they are. They're all the way.
Tiny daisies. Teensy weensy. Can have a look. Real close up. They're tiny daisies.
Yeah. There's a quail. Oh, oh.
They're roosting in there for the evening.
One last look at the pond over there. It's pretty. It's a nice getaway on a hot summer's day.
Yeah, just I kind of wonder about. Now, how are you going to get back? You're going to get back up on the road and follow it, or?
Me? I don't know. I'll figure that out later.
Okay.
I'll get us out of here though.
You can back out on the road and follow it, and then go over there.
There's got to be places to turn around.
I'll just go back and follow them this way.
There's a big old mud puddle. Sure don't want to get in that one. Nope. Nope, not going there either. Alright, thanks for the video, Lynn. Thanks for the day.